Hello.
How are you guys doing?
We're doing good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Pretty
How are
good.
you? Ocho clear.
Good for a Monday.
Good for Monday. Today we're gonna talk about
Where we come from.
Where we come from? ไปให้ครอบครัวไปแล้ว
Behela tala pele do pagapyani wala tila Google Map apu no. We're gonna pull out the Google Map and Maggie gonna show us the farm and everything. Tantan's gonna show us where he was, grow up in
Grew
the
up the jungle.
In the jungle
In the
in
jungle.
Thailand, and I'll pull up the map that I grew up in Karenni State. So that's gonna be fun.
And then there will be opportunity for you to share where you come from also. Just comment down, which city or state you come from. So
Right.
down the comments below. Okay?
Yeah, and then we might be able to search it up.
Nehela tala pele ni kwela weda la when ni comment wu penny we me cause me de me ula America wu de bloody ni paka when ni kwa weda la Google Map
Yes.
abu, okay? The when ni okay, let's start with where
I come from. Wait, before we start, let's go with the quote of the day.
We
you want to start with quote
Yeah,
of the
start
day
with quote of the
okay
day.
Okay
I'll read it out.
takatoli do puido chila pe do share, okay? This is a quote of the day.
So our quote of the day is, "The only impossible journey is the one you never begin." So what do you think of that?
กดชื่อได้เลยว่ายัง
ตัวชีนั่น
Okay.
I don't know what you said.
The only impossible journey. Gladiator, the Lord Thebane, who are Gladiator, the Sarabar.
Edo Sijani, yes. What is the meaning of it to you?
To me, for me, it means that you're never gonna know if something's gonna work unless you try it. You might fail, but at least you tried.
Yeah.
Always try. There's never, and you'll learn. You learn from your failures as well as your successes.
Right. Ejeda la ni mit ma kwa ra ba ni naga namatia de mila naga tinya ba khu da ni try no ka ba ma kwa no ni mi lo khi da no sa da ki ti lo. What about you?
Kedidola nime do saroda ne sente mi tatita balona na tinimi ni ge me ya. Kedidola saroma ha. Okay. The blood cone the me the blood ho ba ku wi tenit me ba no. Ba saro chu chobo. Tane tete sikola.
Ni mi da sa ra ni na clear de tinya ba mi ya. Let's try me ya. So according to my experience, a lot of time like some people are scared of doing something great, like for example going to college or opening a business because they worry that they're gonna fail. But even though when you're worried, you have to do it. If you don't do it, you never know.
Right.
Yeah.
Make plan.
Or
start by small steps.
Yeah. The small steps is important because a lot of people are scared to start because they think, well, I'm not as good as the people who are, up here and I'm down here. But the people who are up here, they started down here at one point too, and they it's all you have is time.
Just like let's just say a plant, right? Like let's just say this plant. Why are we talking about plants?
So convenience.
No, right? So when it's used to be very small, then it start growing bigger. So jadoran tatu thona di tora jadol ta phor khala now. Keditola we chichi pula te khane dora.
Okay. Ako tani tumi ado mata de mimi ni telo pli ba telo when ni pamite ha go tina ki de telo peti ba nami ado start up business the car nami ado tha college nami ado harata mare or na cha business, just do it. Right?
There we go.
Just do it.
Maha.
There should be a motto. Just do it.
Just do it.
Isn't that already the Nike's motto or something?
Oh, Nike already have it. Damn.
Oh yeah. Don't censor that.
All right.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, you want
so
me to
now
show?
Tantan, before you show that, can you tell us a little bit where you came from and a little bit?
So I came from Newport Refugee Camp.
Newport Refugee Camp, okay.
So in 1997, my parents moved in. I believe it was 1998. Because I was born that year. Yes, and then I was born in Newport Refugee Camp, and I grew up there and lived for 11 to around 12 years. Then I moved to the United States. Okay. You open a gawe the chi kini yana pa ko ko bene you upload up in Newport. We do my hella America.
So he lived in Newport Refugee Camp for 12 years.
12 years.
Until he came to America. So yes. There's so many interpretation going on here.
It's all good,
okay.
right?
It's all right.
It's all
Yes.
good.
Do you guys want to share yours first, or
No, you go ahead
No, go
first,
ahead.
Okay.
and
We
after,
wanna look
yeah,
at the comments,
shares
too.
the map. You know.
hey, me
Wait.
hello no pone, tell me hello for you, okay?
အဝဲကပြန်နေပါ map လာဝဲပကကြစားလဲဒိုထားလောမနော်
Where do I go?
You go to share here and
Share.
share screen and share screen Chrome tab
Chrome tab and then a map. This one of this is fine.
Yep.
Okay, all right.
Okay, the map the Kailia. You guys see the map? Now he's gonna pull out where the place that he was born and he grew up.
Hopefully they can see the map.
So, kevra phiralo ne ke ko America phe no. America no phe.
Let's check a little bit how it's looking here. So, we
Oh,
can do the bigger one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, do that.
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay. So, ke ko America open no. So,
You can
phiralo
provide
ne
for me, so.
South America, blo dalo Africa, India,
India,
ko la tu ko phe, blo ne ke ni ba ko phiralo ne copy yo mya.
Myanmar.
Myanmar. Blo ne phiralo Thailand yo ko. Do let's see, pag nyo ko ne o phiralo mo no. So yo phela no pho khone no pho no to phela ta chura put chalo na. So this is Thailand
there's-
here, this is
You see
Burma
like
here.
the border,
The difference,
right?
Yeah.
Thailand
So right
and
between
Myanmar.
here.
There's the current state.
I'm looking for it.
Ompiang wildlife. See that century?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Talo hama.
What is that place?
Talo ne ke Nupo refugee camp. No?
Oh, Nupo refugee
Yes.
camp. Maybe you can also pull out Meramu later. But
Yes.
yeah, go for the Nupo first.
So talo e ke dito la yo plot lama.
So that's
Okay.
where
Deg water
you know,
loy.
he was born.
So yihine o bo ra phe hokotoku wai. Ya ko chita.
Yeah, go to see that.
this
Section
row.
13. So refugee
Oh.
camp
Is
is
this
so
one?
big.
This
They
one.
have like
Different
many
sections.
sessions. Yes.
Okay.
And a lot of time you don't even know like everybody in your session.
Really?
You're so few. Yes.
Who keeps track of everyone? Like is there someone like
So
keeping
there's
track of
like
everyone in the refugee
the
camp?
president, I think.
A president or like a
So
Leader.
there
Community
every refugee camp have camp leader,
okay.
and camp leader has the committee, everything that report to the UN. So the UN commission, High Commission of Refugee, they are the folk that keep track of the refugee numbers.
Okay.
So this is the football ground.
Mm.
This is cemetery here. My mom told me I was born in a cemetery.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. He was born in cemetery.
Pen check to keri to la ye mote ye pa de dia po happy oda le no put lo khone keri to te ba hi de ba no. Akhone ke we opla chwa pene.
Yeah, so like before the refugee came in, all those places are basically jungle. Yeah.
Ta lo pa pu do khela la mo da lo. La kha khat khani le tho chu we da la ile tho ba chu keep la. So I went to two different school. Seventh Day Adventist Snithichoma.
Sinitijo.
Yes.
Sinitijo Midoma.
This one I think no. Yeah, that'll play.
Oh. So there's the school that he used to attend.
Okay.
Is that high school?
How many kids were at the school?
I don't know. I was very little back then.
But, like one class is like 50 students
50,
and
okay.
it's so crowded. You have class A, B, C, you know.
It was full
Yeah.
in my class, I remember.
How many people are in that refugee camp? Or do you know a rough estimate?
I don't know the
You don't know?
estimate, but I would say it's like the size of Worthington for sure.
Oh wow. Or like the population of Worthington?
Yeah.
Because
Just
there's a
like
lot of
13,000?
family each house. So
Yeah. And very crowded.
Crowded.
and this is the jungle where I used to hang out. Okay, popular Malina Chikaila
Wow.
Pedalo.
Apply that green. If
Let
it's
you
forest,
shoot
you
it.
can see like green and just dark green.
You can put the person in here. Okay, you can.
You
You
can
can
just
put
put
your
it there.
pema. Kile has it you wanna.
Oh, look at it.
Hey, I used to go
There we
shower
go.
in this river.
Oh. Anyone from Newport Camp? Do you guys remember this road?
They
We'll
know
have to
about
look
that
at
no
comments
camp
after
thing.
this.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow.
So have you been?
Newport? No, I never been to that refugee camp, but Newport is very famous as a very nice place. And the weather is very like mild, like cool, kind of like that.
Look at this. I used to go into the cave here when I was a kid. It was kind of scary, but
See, they plant
Oh,
Garden
they've got
there?
a garden.
Yeah. Can you show the garden?
I'm
Really
trying
big.
this computer.
It's
There you
very
go.
square and organized. I like that.
The
Looks better than my
bado,
mom's garden.
The bado.
Sorry, Mom.
So this is like where they hold the markets. Each I think is like twice a week. Our chata dota lati ta pitanya de pema. There boy. Linya kone. Pella declare la pella ye attracton.
It's kind of farmer market.
Yeah, farmers market.
Okay.
They hold it there. Yeah. I used to walk with the cows here before.
Cows.
So the
Ikwa
cows.
klonia koma ikwa chwanya klok tenila, okay? Tenila. Blani la luti pet loy lina chikane. Sorry la sister, she don't want me to go swim there.
To go jump under the bridge and you
See
know.
this little river?
Yeah.
Oh,
there's a
they're
river.
swimming.
Yeah, I used to be naked in there.
Naked butt.
No.
Yeah, luchi le bit chikoma la po that but kera kone. But yeah. Pella market, but
Did a lot of people
You
have
can
cars?
see
You
the
see, was that a truck?
yeah, it's a truck. But they sell stuff, so they carry a lot of
Yeah.
like supplies. So they set up their clothing store there.
Oh yeah.
You
there's a
can
little
see the
shop.
clothing.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Is the majority of the transportation walking? Like you just walk?
walking.
Bikes.
So
walking everywhere. Yeah.
I have to walk to school all the time. I remember, especially I don't like it in the rainy season because it's all getting muddy.
The mud.
Yes.
Yes.
And
And it's very soft and red, and you just like it's
Were you good?
scary.
Did you just go barefoot or did you wear shoes?
I wear boots.
Flip flop
sometimes.
mostly, and
Flip-flops?
rain
Flip-flops.
boots. Yeah, we do have rain boots, but mostly flip flop.
No, the
Because
copy.
that kind of
Well, because
weather,
then you can wash them off too.
that
and
kind of
wash your feet
weather,
off.
flip flop is just the best. Because even like in the summer, if you wear like shoes, the dirt and your feet just sweaty. You can't handle it.
This is what I did though. So I wear flip flops, right? Oh, okay, it's getting muddy, so I took off. Then I walk barefoot, in the mud. So then you
If
just
you
clean it,
walk, yeah,
and then you
you're
put
in
it
the
on
mud.
when you get to school.
After you wash your feet.
Yeah. And I remember like our clothes would get dirty all the time.
And we
Like
like
off the
sliding
mud.
through the mud, just sliding your
Kapit-
feet.
kapit
Fall on
dyan.
your butt.
So-
Pakishika din ako kapityan. Hindi halata chuklan.
Oh yeah.
But
บัจจุบันอื่น ฮัลโหลก็ปีกลาหมดเลยถ้าจูนี่
Piazza Juana.
ที่เราชูหมอ where's the waterfall that you show
The
us
waterfall,
earlier?
they don't have a photo.
So can you zoom in so Maggie can see how the house
The house?
structure?
Okay.
Yes.
What cafe lamono?
So what's the roof made out of? Is it
Thatch.
Leaves.
It's kind
Thatch?
of leaf.
A thatch, okay.
Thatch.
Is
I
it
used
kind
to
of
weave
leaf?
it with my mom, I remember.
So what they do is like every summer you go into the forest, you can collect those leaves, and then you use the bamboo and make it into like small strip like that,
okay.
and you weave it onto it.
Weave it in together. So every year you would replace it then?
Yes.
Yes.
Um,
I think
every
every 2 or 3
to
years
4
at
years.
least. Yeah.
Would you rebuild like the entire house too sometimes?
Mostly.
Mostly?
Yes.
But
Because
sometimes
it's
they
made
use
with
wood.
a bamboo sheet, like the bamboo, and you use the machete knife and you just like, do like chip it down, and it's became like flat.
Flat.
I use this for like, your wall, even your floor. And when you walk on it, it's cracking a lot.
Yeah.
Because,
Yep. So when you, sorry, I ask a lot of questions.
Great.
No, that's
When
Go
you
ahead.
build the houses like that, would it just be the family who lived there that would rebuild it, or would like your neighbors help? Like, what was the
Neighbors
sense
help.
of community?
Neighbors.
So growing up, I remember, like we will call our neighbors together, right? The neighbor come together and they help us rebuild our home. And I remember my mom would cook for them, right? And then provide tea.
Yep.
So yeah, I think it was really good community.
Yeah.
So community ni gila mana kita la poko dar puko hetira chula da hidine.
How long did it take to build a house? Like it's just a
rebuild
few days,
I
right?
think it's a
like
few
if
days.
you have a lot of people,
I would
helping,
say a
few days.
week. Around
A week, roughly. Let's just say a week.
So then you all,
after.
yeah, so you'd all just like kind of help each other, the
Yes.
neighbors. So like someone would help your family, and then you would help the next
Yeah.
family. Oh,
Mhm.
that's cool.
I remember
like that.
one time when in Meramo refugee camp, my brother he built a house, and the wall and the floor is finished, but the roof is not finished yet. And suddenly it just rained like pouring out. And what happened? the neighbors, they all like came over and they just like put on the roof and just boom and done. It was just like
In the rain?
yes,
Wow.
under the rain. They just
That's amazing.
yeah.
I like that, you know.
But did I hear the blow on let there go on your dinner? But they hear they we jolly up Dadia, Blomuko Juno, but all the people could in he got block already much of what do thought block on wheel. So
Yeah.
It's incorrect.
Awesome. But you know, this is the mountain that I get to see every morning.
Pritolosu waterfall. Pritolosu
Yeah,
waterfall.
so I tilo chu pa ni mo
Tilo
na.
chu.
Pe mo ku tu mo wa ko ra mo ku
Mo ku
cha
tu,
mo ko. So ne me kwara go bra lo tete.
Oh yeah, you can look. It's beautiful. Look at the waterfall.
Oh wow.
Wow.
I want to go back there and
So
climb
did you
up the
ever climb
mountain.
that?
I haven't. I was
Look
too
at you
small.
can see. Oh,
That's
look at the
beautiful.
mountain. Like
You know, chiri mo na pe ni kana talk cherte ba ko ne ye no me dura ke ka ye me ki gra ge mo na. You know dura.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Ye me ki ha
Hiking
ke
up
ka ye
there
ke ro ha
and-
le ke chel play ko.
And the cornfield. You see the cornfield?
Wow.
Yeah.
It's on the hill.
I was
area.
gonna say that looked like corn.
Yeah, those are corn.
I recognize my corn.
Yeah.
Ke pa no chi kan da pa ku o cha do la nya po che de chwa po che de pe ra lo ye la chi clothes de mo na.
So like we normally go to the like small stream like that
Mm-hmm.
and looking for like fish.
Foraging.
And
Oh, okay.
crabs and,
Foraging ku ra la ta do ta la po te te pa.
and the difference
Right.
between the forest there and here is over there, forest has so much biodiversity. It has so much of plants that are eatable.
Yeah.
Na lela pau ni tao do du na lela merka pau ni ti tan no mi ba.
But then it's ba good. Only mushroom you can find in American forest, I feel like.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom.
And then you don't want to
I'm
eat
not
any of
sure
the
it's
berries.
eatable.
yeah.
I wouldn't eat any of the berries.
But in here, there's so many beautiful berries and fruits. And
Is
Yeah.
there poisonous
Vegetables.
stuff? Like, but do you know what?
You have to cook it. You know,
Oh.
my grandma, I remember she would show me how to forage. So
Mhm.
smelling a mushroom, is it edible? Is it not? You know?
Oh, how would
That-
you tell? How do you tell?
So you just tell by the smell sometimes.
Okay.
It's like have that sharp
Yeah.
smells, you know?
Yeah,
Um,
the smell. I think they knew
Yeah.
by the smell.
That
You
makes
see,
sense.
like just the border is there. Now, Cochinity, Myanmar, Thailand. When you
Okay.
got your
all
pull
right.
it back, yes, there's
Oh,
So you will
yep,
pay.
when you just right the border,
so right over.
right over
Yeah.
the border. Yeah.
You go peraloi.
Mm-hmm.
Japan go peraloi. Tabako.
You wanna look at the
Alright.
comments? See
Oh, yeah, let's
anyone
go
Oh,
from
okay.
anyone from
Here.
mm-hmm. Hello, showing Meramo Camp. Read all the comments.
Yes.
Here you go from the top here. And then you start with this one. You go down. Okay.
Oh,
Good.
what did he say? Good.
Yeah. Sibley to you live in Albany. Okay, we'll pull out American map later. And Hartford City, Indiana. Oh, Daily Current News family, come back today. Very good. Yes, we're family. Detroit City, Michigan. The next one.
Oh.
Yes. Detroit City, Michigan.
And then we have.
Yep, that one done.
What is it?
Hello, are you guys talking about business?
We will be.
Not today.
Not today.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Karen White.
Karen
Karen
White.
White. It's like, call the manager now.
Oh no.
Okay, we'll show you the
Karen
Melab
White.
camp later
Yeah,
on.
put it on the click on. No, that one.
Show
Showing
Meramo,
Meramo
yes.
Camp. Okay. Can
Okay.
you check Tamhe Camp? Or
Yes.
correct camp? We make our homes right. You skip this one. Yeah. She doesn't know about us, right? She does. She
I do
know a
now.
lot now.
I'm
She,
learning.
Yeah, she
I'm
do
learning.
know. She does know. And hello, my beautiful grandmommy. Which one, me? Yeah, that's
Her.
me.
Yes.
Show me the Tamhe refugee camp. Okay, so I'm gonna put out Tamhe camp and Meramo camp. Just a moment. I came from Bandoyang, right? And what else? Okay, so now is it this one? Okay,
Just any. It's
can
fine.
you pull out the Meramo camp?
Meramo?
Mm-hmm. It's just all in about down, I think, right? or up?
Miramar.
Miramar.
Okay, so you're gonna talk about yours first while I'm looking for Miramar. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I came from Miramar too.
Oh.
It's another refugee camp in Thailand and Myanmar border here. How do you zoom in up? Thank you, Sia. You kwasa na when you Miramar get plata. Mukana la Google chala.
Just click it. Na who the hako on
Okay, this is Monstay. Maybe I put refugee camp here. See,
wasn't that the one we were just at?
Nupo, yes, Nupo.
Found it.
You found it. I think it's down. You found it.
Yeah, Miramar. Okay.
Miramar.
So looking to make like who want to map ni man le Google Map le tela. More.
Refugee camp.
Hey, Mela.
So Mela is a different one.
Why
Mela
is it
is
showing
a
me
different
Mela?
one. Meramalong, they call it, so it's kind of like connected.
Bella neke when
Mela is one of the biggest refugee camp. No, it's
okay, you want to walk around a little bit for Mela?
Walk around Mela. Okay. Okay, we need pala hela Mela di pano. Oops. Yeah, this is Mela.
Grocery store.
Zoom in. Zoom in. No, everything's gone. Here. Oh.
It's telling you it's right in the forest.
Yeah.
And it's this one.
Can you do that?
I believe it. No, Capita.
You boomers and your technology.
Okay, so.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Milala.
Did you say I'm boomer?
That took you long enough.
Okay.
You're boomer, but you look like a child.
Dhamma Taku temple. Oh, they even show like the temple. So like Buddhist temple.
Okay.
Dhamma Taku temple.
Dhamma Taku.
Meramalong, I think that's how they call it. It's just one word, Maralaung, something like that. Yeah.
So do the names of these camps mean like a word in Karen? Or what do the
you see like Mela, Meramo, Me mean like mom in Thai language.
Okay.
So whether her guys like in Thai they respect like mom a lot.
Mother,
so
yeah.
a lot of like villages or city names like me, mom.
Is this one?
Mother city?
Yeah. Meramalong.
Meramu.
They normally call it Meramalong. So I don't. Oh yeah, Merama Laung. Laung.
Laung.
Who made a bala? Meramo.
Search. Come on. Oh, Miramala.
No.
Yes. Oh.
Really?
No,
it's
that's not refugee
That's in
camp.
Thailand.
Yeah. Wrong Melody. That's a different. Meramo is somewhere there. Somewhere there.
Quite look, I'm gonna hint I'm gonna hella Greeny, yeah. All the tapakon.
Okay, Kaini. Okay, now I don't know how to go back there. Okay. Okay, wait ni Kaini ka piani tila o era la Greeny mo no. Na ko wait ni ko pi yo mi a. Bloody ni wait ni ka nyo ko se ni la pay no. Greeny ni o era la pay no. Greeny ai ni me da Greeny no. This is the Karenni state that we're from, and Loigo is the capital city. You can see the picture of
Does the state have a name, or is it just?
The state is called Karenni State.
Karenni State. Okay.
So this is Loigo. Mm-hmm. And let's see where's Moki. So if you from like Loigo, you come down all the way here, Dimaso Puso. Right now, it's a very heavy battle over there, like
Right now?
conflict.
Okay.
Right now, all this area. Dimaso Puso, and then you come down to Bolake, and this is Mochi. All the way here, Moki. No, this is Moki. Mochi is here.
Can click on it.
And zoom in, zoom in. Oh, okay,
Whoa.
Nitia, no?
이렇게 전화기라.
Ah.
Nitia, we ni Moki, no? Moki talon ni me call a Google Map ni mata di negati weda, no? You will see all the like mountain range and everything. You can also see like erosion.
The washout.
Yes,
yeah.
the washout because of the tin mining. Pama weda le penny kuni Moki the when in a till akulo podo do no. This is where I'm from. Like this is my village. So Moki is like a collective, like region kind of like that. So you will have like Lehalo, where I'm from, and then you have like here is like they call like Apple Village, and then you come. This area is like 13 hill, like
10 hill?
yes.
So there's
the
different
hill,
sections. It's the
different
it's like the
section.
same area, but
The same
different
area, different
sections.
section.
So it's almost like a suburb of a city. You know, like
Right.
a big city's got suburbs.
Right, and if you come all the way down here, lower village, away ni mira ta pola ta wono ta kai ni muki, mi wini ta po kulu didi, and you can see like the road is like really like zigzag because it's built all on like the mountain,
'Cause you can't just go straight down.
And this is exactly where I'm from. Away ni mira lakalo chubaya the room. Somewhere around this area, we need I wonder if they can see pictures. No picture. We need Muki Lokalo, no? Tilatibula Lokalo. Anyone have been to Lokalo? And when I go to school, I have to come all the way.
Down.
I think it's down to here, right?
Yeah.
Here.
The Bible is zigzag.
You may let Johnny by hello da clearly Pagina, no, by hello da lay. Oh, that's too far. Hello da clearly. Lela. I think this day we use this route instead of this because of the erosion. I think when you came down, it's just 1 hour because the down is faster, but you go up, it's like 2 hours because
slower.
Yeah.
Slower
down. So
these are like some section where houses that we passed through and came all the way here, and this is where the high school is. Winnie, is it the high school?
No,
Not this one, right?
Keep scrolling down.
I think
It
down a
goes
little
down.
more. Oh, here.
Oh, even further.
Whoa, wow. Didn't know that I walked this far to school. Sorry. Now we need high school one. This is the school where I used to go. This is the high school, and this one is for middle school, like grade 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9, 10 is here, and this is the primary school. And this is the restroom.
So how many schools are in your city? Town?
So there's like that one is the only high school that we have, and in Lajalo we have one school here. Now it is primary to middle school now.
Okay.
They try to put a high school in there too. I'm not sure how they doing now. And this area they also have like primary school. So I think only this area doesn't have school, and some of this area. So they all go to school like somewhere. This area has a primary school.
Okay.
So they go up there, and when they reach to middle school, they have to come all the way down here.
Wow.
So you can see like a lot of erosion here.
Very mountainous terrain.
Nitia no mokiwe ni pamalo huni no hakudim na de loboya. Look at this, and people still living here. It's so scary. And you know what happened during the rainy season? It's rain constantly, and their house just dropped into the
people.
Yes, in the ditch.
Ooh.
some people die like every year.
And that's because of the tin mining that the
tin
land was
mining,
weakened.
because the tin mining is underground, so eat up all everything.
Yeah, that's
so it's just like
not good. And you can see down here too where it like would have run into it too.
Yeah.
Like a landslide almost.
Yeah, landslide.
I think there was a photo, no?
Photo.
Yeah, that's okay.
There was photo. Glamour, okay, you know? There was photo, I think, here. This is the church.
So you said there's only like one high school in that region?
Yes.
So do a lot of kids just go through middle school and then they don't go to high school, or they can walk further? So
when
they can
they finish middle school,
mm-hmm.
they go to the high school one, so they have to walk.
Oh, so there's only one, and it's because they're older too. They can probably handle the longer distance.
There you go.
This one is the tent. The kind of the tent where the tin miner live.
Wow.
And you can see like the erosion, you know, like the washout. Yeah.
Looks very
sandy. The landslide happen all the time.
All the time?
In the rainy season.
When
you hope so my dad, he worked in like tin mining too. Mm-hmm. One time because it's underground, because in the rainy season the ground soak in a lot of water, right? And it's just so easy to just collapse. Wow. So the mine collapsed on him. His leg broken. I saw like the X-ray, like this bone.
Is that like the femur?
This. Yeah, the femur is just like broken. It's just like this. Yeah, that's Moki, where I am from. Moki. Okay, Meramo. You wanna go to Meramo? Let's go to Meramo camp, where I am from too.
You're from there too? So where did you live first?
So I live in Moki first. Moki. Then I became refugee, travel all the way down to there. Meramo. So you see, this is where Moki area.
So when you became a refugee, did you walk?
So we walk. Pretty much like where I live, we have to take like a bus or truck. Small truck, kind of like
small
that.
Truck.
Take you to the border.
Yep.
Then you take the boat, like in your boat down to the river. Yeah.
Were you by yourself or were you with family?
Okay, without a car.
You with your family?
Is it this? Miramar?
I think it's down a little bit, right?
I think it's up a little bit.
Up a little bit. Okay.
Around this, combine some of this.
Has to be one. Oh. No, there's two. Melau, is it Melau?
Melau da Miramar bola.
I saw it over there, Melau.
Oh, really?
Like when you zoom in that area. A little bit up. And when you zoom in, I saw it somewhere there.
Oh.
So wait, temporary.
What is it saying?
Mehasal. So it is in Mehasal. So it's supposed to be somewhere this area. You can zoom in maybe because Meramo is in Mehasal. This Melo. What is that?
Yeah, I have no idea. Melo.
I think it's a Thai village, something like that.
Oh, is it this one? Bamet.
Too. Close to there.
Lolly.
I think Bami village. So.
There's more in here.
Oh,
wow.
Mesa. It's up, so. Ula tatraw no, Meramoni.
This one? No. Meramo.
Can't find it.
Oh man.
Oh man, where's
Well,
Meramo?
it should be here, look. Here.
Meramo.
Medla Backlaw Chakone.
Medla Backlaw Chakone. We found Backlaw, so you remember you found Mela. Maybe you look up Mela first, then trace down Meramo. It's very good. Up Mela camp.
There you go.
So there's Mela. And
So
it looks like
it's
you have to go north.
up. So you have to go north of Mela.
Melane Beklana.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I lived there for 2 years and a half. Melane. Kini blema ilo.
How old were you?
You horny.
Khoni.
I was 8.
8.
Around 8. Come on, man.
So go up, yeah.
It's
crawl
gonna be-
down.
To this one.
So if Mela is here, Meramo has to be
It's
somewhere
around
around
there.
this area.
Yeah.
Just on the top. I think one of those little city. Baku the wale.
We were just in that area. I think.
It's in Mehasa, so let's see.
Trees.
Trees.
Is it one
General
of those?
Hospital. What is that? Has to be like close to boring. Bametola School.
Wow.
Where are you, Meramo?
Do some people just live off by themselves? Or does everyone pretty much live in a village?
It's pretty much in refugee camp.
In a refugee camp? There's no one who lives off
Well,
in their own little
sometimes
area.
people do.
Mhm.
Go live in the forest or something. Especially hunters or farmers.
Yep.
So you barely
you can
see
all
farm
this
over there.
here. Can you see all this?
Mountains.
Mountains and mountains.
Get lost.
Kachaglo dot do have.
Oh, we can find
Wow.
Meramo. This is Myanmar already, so. Oh no, Bikita do it. I love Wedgili.
Yeah, but
Meramo ni ola pala beje. Selawin National Park. So Meramo has to be somewhere here.
see, Meso,
Chimai.
Mela, Meramo.
Mehasa.
Look at this line here. This below it.
This.
Maybe zoom out.
Come on. So quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, I can find it.
Searching for me.
Okay.
Okay, so it should be below.
It should be right in there.
It should
Here,
be right
right?
somewhere there, right?
And then in this area here.
Yeah.
Katatuk
zoom in there.
wala mo na. One more time.
One more time. I
We're
think
gonna
it's show
find it.
Miramalon when you click on it. Keep zooming in. Mewala. Oh no, Mewala. I don't know where's Mewala. Temporary close. Oh, somewhere there.
Miramo. So no Miramo Puenila.
Yo Miramahuni. I was there for 6
Huni.
years.
6 years.
Nama new pen in the Thuloraya.
Yes, I was a teacher. Before I was a teacher, I was in high school for a few years. Okay, maybe we'll find Meramo tomorrow.
Is it this one?
What is that? Oh.
Nakwana Miramo Bayed Habala Miramo Nabla. I never been there before. So
Well, if they show Mela name, they're supposed to show Meramo.
oh, this one.
Maybe someone in the comments knows where it's at.
Yeah.
Maybe they know a town that it's by.
I think yeah. Hopefully.
We keep looking for Meramo and we're lost. Demupon Delon Guidon and Nelon Uta Loni Len Bunitiago Assisico. A safe law with it when he everybody know Muki, no? When he Mukini Opelani Payoti Nyalo Kutani, it's not a problem. They already know where's Muki. Mukini Payoti Ododu Bajali Puni. อย่าเลดูเมียลอตะกาบาปะเลคาลอบากลูพาดูบลอดี้นะพาติคาจู พาติคาจู he said he always go there he even like shelling on there too because so he's in like Korean military I think.
Oh, okay.
I miss my country we do too and did you remember Miramore Session 6 TPC school before they changed to yes JC yes I was there for 2 years TPC is like teacher training school that's where I graduate it's in Session 6 Mimi Miramore din nelo adwa to uba kanelo kamichi ku khune tira can you try badong yang tam hing
This one.
I think you should find Melau first, then go to Miramore close. Yeah, maybe try Melau and you want to try Melau?
Sure.
Here's the
navigator.
Tech master. Melau.
Melau.
Yeah.
Is it this one?
Yeah, just
try
click
it. Try
it.
it
They
that one.
probably should.
Melau. Melauli.
There, we
I was a
found.
teacher
Wow.
You're the teacher there too.
Melau ni phalo ya no.
Melau.
Kwa
And
le
where
ka
did
lo
you say
phale.
Miramore was from
So
there?
this is all you can see.
One
Wow,
kwa.
it's big.
Melau ni.
That's
So this is a Mujuklo. That's Mujuklo. The water that we always go shower or
Did you have running
this
water?
Is Melau. That's supposed to be Miramore, I think.
No, Miramore lo cottage chip.
Yeah.
So it should be this one, I think.
No, it's not that far.
Really?
It's not that far.
Or
No.
what, is it that
It's
one?
no. Look here. Go back to Melau. So Melau is right beside the river, and Miramore also right beside the river.
Oh.
So it has to be beside the river somewhere.
Or is it down here?
Well, we can
Is
look
this
at
one?
Melau a little bit first,
Okay. Kwa cho Melau
That's
no?
Myanmar.
Okay, mrahe koplo le Melau le mrahe.
Who came from Melau?
We'll have to go back.
Okay.
And look at
Melau,
high
number
school.
2 high school. Melau Mission School. I was a teacher there.
Really?
at that
Oh,
school.
wow.
So not that one.
Okay.
That's Melau number 2 high school. I think Mission School is somewhere here.
No.
Can't zoom in anymore.
Le door che that
Here, it's on the hill. Maybe this one. Can see very well. Yes, I think more like this one. And if you come from Miramore, we came all the way and up here. So we came from the water. You can came from the water too. So Miramore has to be beside this water, like somewhere.
It's not this one, is it? The
Well,
Mirakam.
this is Melau is here. This is Melau. This has to be Miramore. Because, let's see.
Bubula.
Bubula, yes, Bubula.
Huh.
It's very close, and it's just right beside the water. I think this is like
Mian kwa chura.
that kind lo when lo yes. This
Cliff had Durban.
point, yeah. So you can even like go to Melau camp just by follow beside the water.
The water. Just
So it has to
Oh,
be
so then it
somewhere
has to
like
be the other
down.
one
Is
then.
it down or up?
Well, it shows me
That's
down
going
here.
down.
So if this one Melau, this one has to be Miramore. So this is had to be Miramore. But Miramore, it's this one Melau, right?
Yeah, there are Melau un
So this one is Miramore, definitely.
Logaya.
Let's see.
Miramore dati to ya no reply.
I've never been to like Tokapia. So what about this one?
Imode uba pala Miramore.
That's like a smaller.
This one is a smaller village. Maybe below.
I think more like this one. Below?
I think on the map it was below. Wasn't it?
Below, so there's
Maybe that.
Or is it this one?
That
Oh wow.
could be. I think this is Miramore.
Say Miramore.
Miramore.
Oh wow, she's like, I know this language.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I think this is Miramore, definitely, because Miramore is
It looks like
in
it
the
goes
valley.
back into the
It's
valley,
in the
yeah.
valley.
Okay.
Yes, We found it.
Finally.
Oh,
What's
this
that?
This is like session 2 field ground.
So it is.
It's
Yes.
really long.
Oh,
if you look at it.
Timaramoli, Timaramoli.
Petit Meramoli. Like, this is Meramo.
There we go.
See?
Yeah.
So when we go to Melau, we go all the way up here and we go to the like mountain. Or you can also like go from like all the way down and follow the river. So let's see. So this is more like the storage. So
Okay.
they put
storage?
rice and stuff in there.
Rice grain.
Yeah. And this is a small river stream, more like stream flow. So Meramo is in like between the two valley. So
Okay.
this is more
Yeah,
like
yeah,
valley.
yeah. I can see it.
You can see the
back
valley,
into
right? Meramo ni ulata trongo. So I think this is another school.
Yeah, it looks like it. So in these villages, how do you have like street names? Like we would over here. How do people like you have your sections?
Section number.
Section number.
And do you have like a house number?
Yes.
House number. Yes.
For
we
me,
do.
like for Nopo, we have so basically area 13.
Okay.
Or like area 11, right?
Area
And then you have
51.
and then you have your house number.
Look, this is where I used to go down for swimming here. And this is
Oh.
like the Pola. This is like the session that I live. It's new, new session. And you go all the way here. You see, just beside the water.
Wow.
All the way here. And that's where I go to the session 3 high school.
It's a big river.
Yeah, it's big river.
And that was where you taught?
We call it Muyuglo. Oh no, this is where I graduate.
Okay.
Graduate. And this is the dorm that I used to live. Border la bo mo no la aweni takai ni ko nui e me aweni ko nui bi ole. Ko nui e ko nui bi ne. Oh, this is session 7A. It's across the water. So there is a bridge that we cross, come to this side. See, this is the field. And here is
what's the bridge look like?
It's like a rope bridge.
Rope bridge?
Yes, a rope bridge. I wonder where is that. Has to be
It's
somewhere
right
in this area. I think this.
That looks like it.
I think this is the rope bridge. It show that. Now we need to So this is like session 7A, and this is session 7B. So I graduate high school here, and you go all the way down here at the middle here, and we live here. So
this is a refugee camp.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's very long.
Yeah, so we come down and swim here. We come down and swim at this area, and you go all the way up, and you're at session 6, where I go to postgraduate school.
So when was the last time there was war in there? Do you remember? When was the last time there was war happening in there?
I don't remember.
When you talk about war, who are the people that are at war?
Oh yeah. There's definitely Meramo. Here.
It's the Burmese.
Thank you for finding Meramo.
It's big area.
It's big.
Yeah, it spans a long distance.
What is it? I think this
and how many schools are there? Do you know?
School?
Look at how much further it goes.
Look at it, yeah.
Meramon
See all the way from and all the way from here, like all the way from down here. Meramoni wera kuwadi ki kuwadita kuwadita ki the luija nui bi. So it's like 7 or more than 10 schools in there.
10 schools?
Well, some are high school, some are like primary, And
middle school.
Oh yes, this is Meramo. When you get a Meramo, boy, I let a little drop pay yes, we go all the way up here to go to Mela. You can go from here, and here you go to Mela.
Road.
Zoom out.
Yeah, I think.
How long would it take you to get there?
I think it's like an hour or something. Yeah.
Driving or
walking?
So Pena.
Oh wow.
How go up it?
Yeah. Do. Yes, right there.
Oh yeah.
That's where Meramo is. Okay, now we're gonna see Maggie place.
Maggie.
We're talking about Maggie.
Should we see if there's any comments first?
Sure.
Yeah, we can. Yeah. Yes, that one.
This one.
Melau Puebolu. Yes, Puebolu.
Puebolu. You more the lower.
Oh, the other one is Puebolu. You see, it's disconnect a little bit
Mhm.
because you have to walk. There's a distance. There's no houses there. So
Oh.
Puebolu.
Mm.
I can see the road there. The polarization 6. I know. I can see the polarization 6 too.
Oh.
And what is that?
What does that one say?
This one. Melau Puebolu. Melau. Yes.
ภาษาจีนทำให้เด็กว่าสิ
Oh,
There we go. Ooh, watching from Australia.
watching from Australia. Hope you are all
good day,
having a
mate.
great
Hi.
evening.
Good day, mate. Have a good day, mate.
Gonna
Why
go
don't
catch a
you-
wallaby.
We love
Okay.
Australian.
You wanna
Australian
pull
people are
out your
amazing.
map?
Yeah.
Go
Okay, so I'll show you
Sometimes move
guys
here so you can
where
see
I'm
your face
from.
to come
So,
in front of me.
this is where we were looking at before. So like Thailand, Myanmar, Burma area. And so I'm
We come
not
back
from there.
all the way to.
So we're gonna go. Whoops. Oh no. What happened? Where doesn't
You've
it
been
go?
to China before, right?
I have been to China.
Yes.
I've been to 4
Maggie
cities in
Habala
China.
China เรียน
We'll have to do a
เขา
section on where we've traveled to.
Yeah.
And then we can show
India,
pictures.
right?
India. Okay,
I've been
so I am
You Google
from United
Iowa.
States.
Mm.
I'm from Iowa, the state of Iowa.
อือฮึ
Upper
Capital of
Midwest. Yeah, capital of corn.
Capital of corn.
The county I'm from is actually the popcorn capital. We have the
Really?
world's biggest popcorn ball. Yeah, we'll have to go take a trip. Anyway, so I am from a small little town. There's about 800 people in it. I'm from Wall Lake. I didn't
Wall
live
Wall
in the
Lake.
town. You can see it's kind of small, and look at the layout of like the land.
Zoom in, zoom in.
The land layout is a lot more different than where you guys grew up. It's very flat. And you can see all the streets
yeah.
the streets are very straight and square.
มีรัฐตัวรับพลารามา because
very
of the
different.
farming.
Yeah, because of farming. It's prime farmland. So I'm from right outside the town, and I live by a river. And then right here is our little farm place where we grew up.
Zoom there.
So I'll zoom in. So right
zoom
over
in.
here is like a pasture. It's like a bunch of grass. It's on a hill. It's not any kind of hill like you guys would have grown up on.
Just a hill, American hill.
Yes, American hill. But we have cows on there, which you should be able to see the cows. So here, so I also grew up by a river, the Boyer River.
Right.
It looks like a little snake. I never took a shower in it, but I definitely swam in it when I was a kid. So I mean, could have taken a
As a
shower.
kid, right?
So here's the farm. Oh yeah, if you have any questions about the farm, go ahead and send them, and I'll try and answer them.
Yes.
But we have cows, pigs, and chickens. So right here is our little chicken shed. This thing right here, little chicken shed.
บูชาบูทอบูกลอ yeah
Yeah.
You have so many cows.
And then right here you can kind of see there's a tractor.
Tractor.
More tractors. Here's our pigs.
Pigs. So
Pigs.
many.
So this right here is
So
a
many.
pig barn. Probably like 100 or so.
100
But- Yeah. And so they have a barn that they can go in, and we have different pens. This is also a hog barn. So this is where when they'd have babies,
Mhm.
and after we'd take the babies, wean the babies off the mothers, we'd put the babies in this nursery. So this is where the mothers would stay, and then when they were going to have their babies, we'd put them in this shed called the Farrowing Barn,
okay
and where it's nice and warm, climate controlled, and you can like make sure that the mothers aren't like laying on the pigs. Then they've got enough food, and you can give them medicine
Right.
if they need it. You can monitor them really easily.
so que kana pagpiana mo pagpiati la ke do Maggie okay tama
Okay, let me tell them. When that kind of we get a tall when you law me, no, a tall a dog a yana, tall pumichini, a push anywhere palochola pay, no, Mimidura geneva pala pay, dito, or macaronia law, glary mono, putania, a boo at all the dog.
And then we would have dad pigs as well. So boars, they're called the boars. And we would keep the male pigs over here.
Boars.
Yeah, so you would have the male pigs separate, and then when you wanted and so when you wanted the moms and dads to meet, you would move the dads to the mom pig.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so these would be the sows, the female the female pigs.
Okay.
So
Lori ni me do dulu era tho mono ba ko da de dulu me ni le cho ko da le ba ko pa mono ko da ni tho pha na ki de ta ma da a tho bu ba ma.
And it would take about like the gestation period would be about 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. So that's how like humans 9 months for a baby to fully form, it'd be 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days.
Oh wow.
For pigs.
3 weeks, 3 days.
Yeah,
3 months. Tony, right?
3 weeks, 3 months.
3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days.
Third.
So just shy of 4 months.
What about these round things?
Okay, so these are our our bins.
Okay.
Corn bins. So we'll store our corn in here. So we harvest it. We didn't store all of it there because sometimes we'd sell it right away.
Right.
But you kind of you'll keep some so you can sell it later. And these keep it dry, and they have fans underneath, so that it kind of keeps airflow, so it won't get rotten or stale.
Right.
But when we harvest the corn, you have to make sure that it's the right moisture. And so I don't know if you can see this little square right here.
Zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, I'll try and zoom in a little bit more. I
think
don't know
that's
how
it.
much. Yeah, that might be it. Yeah, that's all it zooms in.
Okay.
So this little square right here, we have a dryer. And there's little augers that would run from bin to bin, and it would also run to the dryer. And so it would put corn in here, spin it through, dry it, and then it would put it into a different bin. So if there's corn, because if it's too wet, it could start a fire. Like if it just sits and ferments all winter, it could get fire, it'll get moldy, crusted, it won't be good to sell. So we'd have to make sure it's dried to the right moisture or the right dryness.
Buketa sheni no me ta ma khidi ni bani di to kali ko weda la klam la ni tho u de mi do ku lo mi gi da ha go cha ni cha o ta ni la ba mo ku ta tho bo ni we te ba u weda de kali le di to ma khi weda bukir khani o la ta ku na gi de. Interesting, I never knew that,
you gonna get a lot when we live in Thailand, it's a little bit different. We just use like bamboo like building, and then we just pour all the corn in there. Yeah.
Really?
So it was a little bit different process.
And then
and
well, it's probably a little bit different because we have to sell ours, and so it has to meet a certain specification.
Right.
This isn't corn that we eat. This is corn that goes to like further processing. So it'll get broken down. The corn oil will get separated from like the solid parts. The solid parts, cornmeal, food, and everything. So nothing goes to waste.
In America, nothing goes to waste. Yeah.
Right here, I'll zoom out a little bit. So this is where our cattle yards. So we have cows right here. Different pens. So like these would be like the fat cattle. So they're getting ready to sell. We fatten them up with corn and hay and everything, so we can make steaks. We just got separate pens for everything. In this picture, most of the cows are out in pasture, but right here is where we would feed them. So these little round things are tires, and we would drive our tractor along, and we'd have a wagon that would dump the feed into these tires, and so they'd just stick their head in and eat. Yeah. So it's not just dumping it anywhere.
Right.
It's just dumping
Did
it
they
in.
Drink water?
Yeah. So we'd have water. We have like a little water section under here that's connected, like water 24/7. Of course, water is important.
Okay, wait a little bit. Ni get out with the pada claw lomono, run it chira cabation, ni get it with the gen no for the tractor, the punira claw chapini, laguni with a timono, penny a pa claw lona, gikeni cloni le or chamono, who then need to ula penny.
Yeah. So we would have different sheds. You see some of these sheds. This would also be another cattle yard. They've got plenty of space. Right here.
Zoom in.
We've got cows.
Oh, cows. Chickens.
No, they look like chickens, but they're cows.
Chicken.
So this would be like a cornfield, and where it looks like we had them out because they would eat the leftover corn stalks after harvest. So this is after harvest. So they must have taken all these pictures in the fall, or very early spring. But right here, it'd be the fall because this is all green. Yeah. So this would be like our green pasture. So there's cows right here too. You can see. Here's some trails. There's some trails. We would walk on the trails, just like almost like your mountain tree.
The cow trail.
They're called the cow trail. And we have a little water station right here. We dug a well, and so it's got water. And then sometimes when it rains, the water collects down here for them too. But we would go sledding on this hill when it snows, really steep. So we would climb to the top and then ride down the hill.
We got to do that
sleds.
later on.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. But yeah, here's just some more green pastures. And this land right around here, we farm this with tractors. This we also farm. Here's a neighbor. So we have neighbors, but they're very far away.
Yeah.
This one's kind of close, but you can see that neighbors are a couple miles away. So like these little farm places where they're all scattered around.
Can you explain to them why we have the squiggly lines here?
So these squiggly lines, we call them terraces. There's probably a scientific name for
Terraces?
them. Terrace. A land terrace or a buffer strip. It can also be called a buffer strip. So it's just a raised bed of ground. It's like a raised bump to keep this soil from washing away. So we want to keep the good topsoil so we can grow crops all over.
เดี๋ยวตะกลูใครแล้วนะติที่เนี่ยโลกไอ้ดาดิโตอามายดาดิโตตาลูพูดเจอันนี้ดอกกลูแล้วอะเกดอตเดเวดาเวนี่ฮอคุญาเทมเนาะดิโตมุคุมิจูดิโตมุคุจิกลีเดเมมุคุจิเมตุรกว่ากูดิเวก็มเวตินี่ปกิเจซาเลเกข้าเวอดินี่ม
ก็เขารักฮอคุลากี
ฮอคุลากีมแล้วเวติกสุดาก็
Yeah,
interesting.
So they're all over, and that you can kind of see the lines. This is how we would plant our corn. We'd plant it in the lines, in different lines, and then you harvest it in the same way because it all grows in strips. But you can see the lines.
Well done.
Yeah, but that's about it. This is the sheds where we like store our machinery. You can kind of see some of it outside. Here's another bin that we put up. And then, here's my mom's garden. So, Mom, if you're watching this. So, right here, we put our potatoes here. These would be tomatoes around this edge. Broccoli. My mom is a big gardener. Pumpkins, peppers. I think my mom usually plants like 80 tomato plants. 60 to 80 because we can. We grow a lot of our vegetables and then we either can them or freeze them for the winter.
Right.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and then we always have fresh meat. And so here's our barns, or that's where we keep our machinery throughout the winter. Sometimes we put hay bales in there.
Roasted.
And keep it out of the elements and the weather. But we would, Nerf guns. We would put hay bales in the sheds, and then we'd like run around with our Nerf guns and like
we should
make bunkers.
It's
a lot of fun. We'll have to.
Yeah,
so I'm going to take Mumu and Tantan to my house and show them around the farm. We'll have to make a video.
I have enough time.
We have so many guns.
You want many years.
Next week, let's do it.
Yes, so that's where I grew up. This cute little farm place by a river and cows, lots of cows.
Lots of pigs.
Let's see if there's any questions or anything. I think these are still, oops, I don't know.
What, yeah, Melau. He came from
Melau. Woohoo.
Are there more?
Okay.
Maybe click comments.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all?
No, there's more.
No.
There was none after I started talking.
Because,
It's so long.
No, it's not so long. It's just, interesting. Okay. Kudani, Taniya ini. Taniya ini mana? Kaya dapat tebya bakala peheta lolo mana? Atle thought it lagi. Pelera lagu buji talaga ne.
Yeah.
Bahaya aku dobi di titayi na.
Yeah, lucky the market that the pata la hala vacation. Okay. Let the bamila cove ko, mela the chiro ba khone. La la Google map. La la to ka ka te. La la chila couple ka ka te.
Yeah, Google Map vacation.
You can go on vacation to a different city, different state, different country on Google Map.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Save money.
Save money, yeah.
Lots of money.
But mila hala when Maggie farm ni pagkapyati mo. Maybe someday we go visit Maggie farm.
Oh, we
so
will.
We can
We
show you
definitely
guys.
will.
All right, today it's
Yeah, that's all.
Thank you for tuning in with us. See you again next Monday.
Next Monday.
Next Monday.
Sabi no malati hilo ti tacha dito. Do ko ura chat and chill. Chill and chat.
Chill.
Chill.
Yes, make sure to come back next week.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hãy bật thumbs up, subscribe, share Segura video game.
Hello, Kora.